However, in the current situation, it seems that the Congress party has not been open-minded to these kind of things, which in a way, as I said, we had mentioned 2 months ago that we are ready to fight alone, and we will be fighting a large number of seats. So in the last 2, 3, 4 days, whatever developments have taken place are certainly showing that the Congress party would like to go alone, and in this situation, NCP has decided that we will be fighting on our own, and we will put up a large number of candidates. Our process of finalizing the candidates is going on, and by tonight we should be having a final list of our candidates. Many established workers and leaders of the NCP are already in the fray. Some have filed their nominations, but we will certainly be filing more nominations between today and tomorrow, and we will officially release the final list of our candidates to the media tomorrow. Our agenda, our manifesto will be released in the next few days. As it is, as I said, we are all fully prepared. Our candidate selection was already announced earlier, but we have now to add the list finally. And again, I repeat that the Congress party initially sent some feelers, though, as I said, we had never decided unilaterally that we would go and talk to them. They invited us for a discussion in Delhi, and after they invited us for a discussion, we decided, all right, we will place our viewpoint, which we did, but unfortunately the Congress party has not decided. So it doesn't matter. As I said, for us it doesn't really affect the performance of the NCP.